Hello and welcome to the Velveteen Lounge.
Hi, folks.
Today we're making Thanksgiving drinks using JAVY Microdose Coffee Concentrate.
Normally used to make a fine cup of coffee on the fly. However, today we're going to make a couple of fine cocktails for you.
They very generously sent us this, and we got the mocha flavor. So, spoiler alert, I already tried it, and it's really, really good. But I haven't tried it in a drink yet. I'm very excited to try. What you would do normally, and I will put the link below so you can get JAVY, is you would use 1 to 2 teaspoons in your hot water to make a quick cup of coffee. And it makes a really nice coffee too. But now they have flavors like mocha.
Well, let's try this out in a few shakes.
We're doing Thanksgiving themed drinks today. So I'm doing one that I'm calling the Autumn Perk. And I'm starting with 2 ounces of bourbon. I already have ice in my shaker.
It's a good place to start.
2 ounces of bourbon. I'm using 2 teaspoons of the JAVY Mocha Coffee Concentrate. I want to get it all out. I got to shake it out. 1 teaspoon of sour cherry liqueur. And 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Shake that with ice. Got to get that incorporated. And strain into a cocktail glass. I just happen to have one right here.
Well, what do you know?
I smell that coffee.
Yeah.
It smells really good.
Smell
Ooh,
that coffee?
look.
Smell that whiskey. That's got a nice, bold
It smells good
coffee
already.
color to it, too.
So let's try the Autumn Perk. Ooh, I love that. It's light. It tastes lighter than I expected.
It does. And as a matter of that coffee flavor is very bold.
Yes, the mocha.
Definitely standing up to the ingredients. Frankly, it just looks like you're drinking a cup of coffee.
I know.
Well, kind of.
But with booze.
With booze.
What's not to like?
Which, hey, that's what we do here at the lounge.
So I hear you have a drink to make too.
Yes, I do have a little something planned here. So I'm deciding to make something that we're calling the Autumn Coffee Milk. And it'll be a bit of a dessert drink. We're going to start with 1 teaspoon of the JAVY Coffee Concentrate, mocha. 1/2 teaspoon of biscotti liqueur. No, 1/2 ounce. Sorry. 1 ounce of brandy. And 2 ounces of milk. You could use milk of any stripe if you like, like a nut milk or cow's milk. Any will do. If you like it heavier, you could use a light cream.
It looks like a nog.
Yeah. Shake with ice. Okay. And also, strain into a cocktail glass.
You got a strainer there?
I do indeed.
All right.
And because of the milk, this one ended up a little foamy.
It looks good. Can't wait to try it.
That's a bit of overage, so I'm going to let that rest for a second.
Ooh, overage.
Darn. That little bonus.
Extra drink.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see.
That's really nice. Once again, the coffee completely stands up. The concentrate completely stands up to the flavors that are in there. This is a really nice dessert-style item.
Yes.
If you are actually relaxing at a bar in the tropics, for instance, I think you'd like this quite a bit. If you decided to add a scoop of ice cream.
Or at a bar in your own home.
In your own home? Even better. Well, I say
cheers.
Coffee milk to you.
And thank you to JAVY for sending us the Mocha Coffee Concentrate. It's delicious.
Yeah.
I will drop the link below for where you can get yours, but thank you for visiting the Velveteen Lounge, and happy Thanksgiving.
And we'll see you soon.
Bye.